Washington communities are in crisis, and it's putting millions of Washingtonians' safety at risk. Here's what's happening. Counties and cities are responsible for providing law enforcement, criminal justice, and public safety services. Important stuff, right? But for the last decade, Washington counties and cities have faced a 1% cap on the annual property revenue increases they can receive to pay for these crucial services. Costs have outpaced revenue. This has created a budget gap that only gets worse year after year. Counties and cities are struggling to fund public safety and other important services with less money. They've already made significant cuts across the board, but it's still not enough. As a result, in Washington, we have fewer deputies on the road and severe cuts to law enforcement training. That means delayed public safety response times. Jails are overcrowded, and there are caps on the number of inmates they can accept. Some inmates are not completing their sentences due to overcrowding. Counties have had to divert road funds to law enforcement, leaving us with dangerous roads and bridges. Washington State is less safe than it was a decade ago, and it's only going to get worse. That's why we're asking the legislature to replace the 1% property revenue cap so local governments can accommodate for population growth and rising costs in their communities if they choose to do so. Let's give control back to local leadership where it belongs.